Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use an expanding file step by step. First, take a moment to examine your expanding file. Notice it typically has between 7 and 24 individual pockets, perfect for various categories. Identify these distinct sections and consider how you want to categorize your documents. Next, label each section clearly. You can use pre-printed labels or create your own for a personalized system that suits your needs perfectly. Now that your file is labeled, it's time to organize your papers. Begin by gathering all the documents you intend to file into a single pile. This helps ensure you don't miss anything. Next, sort these documents into the categories you've established, matching them with your file's labels. Finally, carefully insert each document into its designated section. Make sure they are fully seated to prevent them from slipping out. Maintaining your expanding file is key to its effectiveness. Make it a habit to regularly review its contents, perhaps once every month or two. Remove any outdated or unnecessary papers to keep it clutter-free. When new documents arrive, add them to their correct sections promptly. This prevents piles from forming and ensures your system remains efficient. Always double-check that documents are fully inserted and secure. Expanding files offer incredible capacity, often holding up to 300 sheets of paper, making them ideal for extensive organization. To further enhance your system, consider using color-coded tabs. Assigning a different color to each category allows for quick visual identification, saving you valuable time. Finally, store your expanding file upright on a shelf or in a drawer. This simple practice helps prevent documents from bending or creasing, keeping them pristine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.